Cooking perfectly brown crispy toast is not that hard, but there's some tips you should know. Hey everyone, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. Today we will share how to make perfect brown crispy toast without a toaster. Before that, if you like to learn easy and delicious recipes, please smash the like button and subscribe. In a pan, melt some butter. Take 3 pieces of bread. Coat your bread in it the best you can. Press the bread a little bit and cook on low-medium heat. Flip and do the same. Cook until both sides are beautifully golden browned. Enjoy!